Whenever you're generating out a query, what is happening is that SQL codes are being written out by Access. So to know what the SQL codes are, you can go around over here onto view, and here you can go around and go towards the SQL view right here. So what is happening over here is that it is selecting out distinct row, as you can see right here, and it is generating out prices and sum of prices right here, average of prices, as you can see right here. So let me just close this around over here, and if I were to go around and create out another query, so let me just go around over here, and then if I were to go to query wizard, then I can go and select simple query wizard right here. Let me add a name from this table right here, while I'm going to add in topic and price from this one, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and then click on next right here and simply generate out a query right here. So once that is done, what you can do is you can view what the SQL code has been written out for this particular query. And to do that, you can go around over here onto home right here. You can go around into SQL view, as you can see, and this is what you have. So it says select expert name, as you can see. So it is selecting out the expert name right here. That is, it is selecting out the name field from the expert table, the topic field from prices table right here, and price from price table, as you can see right here. And it is joining out these things. And in the experts, if I were to go around over here onto the data sheet view, you can see these very data, as you can see. But if I were to go around into SQL right here, and if I were to remove one of these, let's say for example, if I were to remove the price right there, and if I were to go around into datasheet view, now you do not see the price anymore right there because we removed it out from the SQL code. And that is how you can access out the SQL code of the query inside of MS Access. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.